Alright, we are recording. This is the grand opening, the unveiling of the 3D printer. 3, 2. Boom.
That was anticlimactic.
That's a wax seal, by the way, just so you know.
Yeah, that's taking everything.
That's awesome. Why is my, why is it so...
Mind if I cut some plastic wrap?
Yeah, go for it.
Alright.
All this
Do
plastic.
we need to preserve any of this paperwork that's on here?
I have a digital receipt of all this. My tax-deductible donation to the hype.
Hey, does anybody have the light on their iPhone?
Yep.
Can you give me some light over here?
Let me see. No, I can't fool the camera.
This is dark. This is no, actually this is better now. Anyway, this is cool. I found the light. 3D printer is busting over here. What'd you call that thing you use? Is it Plex, you said? We got Plex going on over here. We're about to put some tunes, straight dubstep in it. From dubstep to trap, that's how it's going down at height. Yeah, we're gonna get some tunes going.
Alright, layer 1 done.
Layer 1 done. It's yeah, good. Yeah, that's recording right now.
Super wrap.
Yeah, I usually focus beforehand, but it's all good. Yeah, you're fine. This is run and gun.
Alright, next layer.
Second layer, second level / layer of extraction complete. The birth of the 3D printer is imminent. You know, if I wasn't going to tweet this, I'd say something right now, but I can't say it because it's inappropriate for Twitter.
Be Twitter appropriate?
It's not Twitter appropriate. But if a 3D printer had a birth canal, this would be it.
Oh, God.
Push!
One way we authenticate it is we have the software we put onto the flash drive. We copy that over and we copy it with several instructions and then we put it into the binary and we calculate.
Why am I having so much trouble cutting through this? Oh, it's metal.
I got it stapled.
They got this sucker stapled.
We're able to copy the same one over.
I say we
About
just
preserving the box.
Yeah, screw the box. Let's just rip it open.
All right, so I'm gonna stop for a second here.
This is the new era.
All right, hang on, pause for a second because I'm gonna.